We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.